Let's style this wig together. This is Bonnie by UniWigs. She needed some help, so today in this video I'm going to show you exactly what I do to make her look wearable.
I'm wetting the hair to make it easier to move the part, and using a wet dry brush to comb through any tangles. Taking the end of a rat tail comb, you're going to go in and move the part however you desire. Since this is a full lace top, you've got ultimate parting flexibility. You can part it on the left, the center, or the middle, and it's going to look like scalp. A regular blow dryer would also work. The idea here is that we are just setting the part and drying the hair. We've got some hair flopping in the face. We're going to take care of that. Here's what Bonnie's hair texture is looking like after I've gone in and dried it. You can see it is a little bit frizzy and poofy, but that's okay. We're going to go in with our heat tools.
Since it's Remy human hair, you could also use a hair straightener or style it however you would style your own biological hair.
We're going to start curling in about 1-inch sections. Angle your curling one down and wrap the hair away from your face. Allow the curl to cool before you touch it. Now we're just going to continue moving on in 1-inch sections, curling away from the face around the rest of the head. This hair texture takes the curls like a dream. It also holds the curls really well without any need for additional sprays.
Here's what Bonnie is looking like with some curls added.
I'm going in now with my hot comb. This tool allows me to get really close to the root, and it's going to let me smooth down those return hairs and give this an overall sleek and flawless look.